Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding and Tech by Rahul. So in this video, today we are going to learn about tag and attribute in the HTML. Okay, so let's see what is tag. Tag means what? The predefined word which is enclosed inside of the angle bracket is called tag. Right? That means in HTML, whatever tag we use, that we use for the purpose of designing the web page. Okay, so how to define that kind of tag, that we will see over here. So you can see, suppose that if I am going to define one tag which is called HTML. So you can see the HTML is the predefined word. This is called what? Predefined word. Okay, and the angle bracket is used to specify that this is a tag. Clear? So the tag which is used to define the structure of web page that we use in the HTML. That is why we used to say these are the predefined words. Why? Because if another word I am going to use inside of the same angle bracket would not be considered as a tag. Right? So tag, I hope it is clear. The tag means what? The predefined word which is enclosed inside of angle bracket is called tag. And if we see the types of tags, there are two types of tag. How many types of tag? There are two types of tag. The first is called container tag and the second one is called empty tag. Right? Let me tell you what is container tag and what is empty tag. See, so container tag means what? Container tag means those tag which has opening and closing content. The tag which has opening tag as well as closing tag is called a कंटेनर टैग. ऐसा टैग जिसमें हम ओपनिंग भी कर सके टैग के साथ ही साथ उसे हम क्लोज भी कर सके, उसे हम कौन सा टैग कंसीडर करते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड अ कंटेनर टैग. एक आप एग्जांपल यहां पे देख सकते हो कि अगर मैंने HTML का लिया तो HTML दिस इज कॉल्ड अ ओपनिंग टैग, बट सेम टैग इफ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज विद द स्लैश साइन /HTML, so this would be considered as a closing tag. This is the closing tag and this one is the ओपनिंग टैग. राइट? तो आप देख सकते हो द टैग विच वी यूज टू ओपन एज वेल एज क्लोज इज कॉल्ड कंटेनर टैग. And empty tag means what? The tag which is used to only open does not require to close is called what? Is called empty tag. मतलब ऐसा टैग जिसे हमें केवल ओपन करने की जरूरत है बट उसे क्लोज करने की जरूरत नहीं होती, तो उसे हम कौन सा टैग कंसीडर करते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड अ empty tag. Let me tell you the example. Container tag like HTML tag, head tag, body tag, even title tag, and many more tags are there which are the example of the container tag. So all this kind of tag needs to be open as well as need to be closed. But empty tag, the example of empty tag is like a BR tag. BR tag is used to change the line, break the line, but that does not require to close it. That means इस BR tag में हमें स्लैश यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. And just like one more tag is there, HR tag. HR tag also does not require to close. So these two tag and many more tags are there which are the example of the empty tag. Right? So let me tell you once again in short. Container tag, those tag which we need to open as well as close in the HTML program is called container tag, and those tag which we need to only open but does not require to close is called empty tag. Clear? I hope these 2 points are confirmed. Now let me proceed with the next topic, that is attribute. What is attribute? Attribute means, suppose that this is the one of the tag which I said that is body tag. Inside of body tag, just after this predefined word, I have given one space. This is the symbol of space in the HTML program, right? So body space, the another word which we use inside of the tag is called a attribute. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? That is called a attribute. The word which we use next to the tag is called a attribute. टैग के बाद जो एक स्पेस देकर के हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एट्रीब्यूट। एंड आफ्टर एट्रीब्यूट वी यूज टू पुट इक्वल साइन एंड इनसाइड ऑफ डबल कोट साइन वी यूज टू पुट वैल्यू। यहां पे हम क्या ऐड करते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ वैल्यू। Okay, so यहाँ पे value busy color, suppose that I have given the value red, so now here you can see body space busy color is equal to double quote red, that means body is the tag, busy color is the attribute and red is the value। तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ, this is what, this is the tag and this busy color is the attribute and this value which I have given inside of double quote is called a value, राइट। तो ये आपके 2 पॉइंट्स हो गए, दैट इज द टैग एंड एट्रीब्यूट। तो टैग का मतलब कि द प्रीडिफाइंड वर्ड व्हिच इज इनक्लोज्ड इनसाइड ऑफ एंगल ब्रैकेट इज कॉल्ड टैग। एट्रीब्यूट, द प्रीडिफाइंड वर्ड which is used next to the tag is called the attribute and just next to the attribute there is a value which is given inside of the double quote, right? So I hope all these points are clear. If any doubt comes, let me know in comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.